Oh my God, it's happening. This is my first unboxing video ever, so we're gonna make sure to do it absolutely incorrect and F it up as much as we can. But I bought some shoes, which people who know me, I rarely buy shoes, but I bought some shoes online on top of it. So again, double exciting because you never know how things fit and what have you. So let's get to opening it. Is it technically an unboxing if it's a bag? Da, 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 da. Can you see? Can you see? The doctor at me, can you see? Okay, oh, there we go. I guess I should do it the right way. Oh, that's just gorgeous. How about that, huh? These are gonna be great. There we go. Next, I guess I'm gonna put them on, try them on, see how they fit. Hopefully it's a perfect fit because I really don't want to go back with exchanging and returns and all that stuff. So, but throw it out to the universe, try it on first time, it's gonna be great. Okay, so I got my Legacy 98s. I was so psyched. When I saw these online, I was like, holy crap, these are the shoes I gotta get. I love the color on them, black and red, on white, beautiful. Oh yeah, gorgeous. And perfect. You know, I was concerned. I was worried that they weren't gonna be wide enough because I got a wide foot, I'm a big guy, but they're actually perfect. I mean, it even says slim, which again I was concerned with, but they're perfect. They fit great. They're snug. Leather feels great. Really nice. Super stoked. Can't wait to rock these.